Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a mix and match box, which it's not printed on the box, but I assure you that is what is inside of this brown cardboard box. Mix and Match is a style subscription company, and I haven't received a box all summer long, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what my stylist sent for me. I did ask my stylist, who is Lauren, to put together a box that I might possibly wear when I go to Las Vegas in just a few weeks for my friend's wedding. Not for the wedding. I do have a dress. I am the matron of honor, so I don't need a wedding guest dress. I just need some outfits for the events surrounding the wedding. If you want more information about Mix and Match box and getting a box for yourself, I've left everything you need to know in the description box below. Let's unbox this. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Hello, I'm so glad that you're here. I really hope that you will subscribe if you like unboxings, or not just unboxings. If you like women's clothing, please be certain to subscribe, because that's what my videos are all about, and I'd love to have you join me again. The box. So here it is. As you can see, my box got a little beat up in the mail, but the inside of it looks undamaged. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's see what is going on here. Oh, it's a double bundle. Check it out. 2 big bundles wrapped in a ribbon. It's so beautiful. I also got an envelope in the box, and this is filled with goodies. This has a note from my stylist. There is an invoice, and they also enclose a prepaid mailing envelope. So anything that doesn't work for me, I can return to Mix and Match. Postage is free. This one is UPS, so I do normally drop this off at the UPS store. It's very easy. But before I get into this, I want to see the clothes. Bundle number 1. Okay, the top piece is kind of this boho, although it is polyester, which I'm very happy about. We do have a bit of a balloon sleeve with an elastic cuff there. This is a tie front, not my favorite. I don't like to tie bows at my neckline, but we'll see how it looks untied. Right off the bat, I really like this print. It does have kind of some rust and some burgundy blues, and it's almost like a periwinkle. Okay, this one looks good. And next we have Liverpool, which I do like my Liverpool. These say Love Liverpool, and these are a red denim. Wow. These are going to be hard to say no to. I like these a lot. Next thing we have is a royal blue. What do you guys think about me and royal blue? I'll have to try this on. This is Naked Zebra. It does have some interesting sleeves. It has a keyhole in the back. And is this lined? It feels like it might be lined. It's lined. Okay, looking good. Another Liverpool piece. And okay, this is again another boho piece. This is a chambray top with a deep V. And you see it has that band around the neckline and also around the arms. It does have the elastic on the cuff. This one looks cool. Bundle number 2. Okay, what do we have? Let's see. Oh my. Okay. I'm not sure what to think about this. Who are you? This is by Rebee's Swimwear. Oh, okay. So this is a swimsuit cover-up. It's very pretty. It is crocheted. This is it almost feels like yarn, and this feels like rayon. Here's the bottom of it. It does have an interesting hemline on the bottom. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't really need a swimsuit cover-up. We'll see. Next piece is by Loverich. This, I think, is a dress. Oh, okay. This is very interesting. And this looks like exactly my thing. This feels like linen, and this is a long midi dress that buttons. Is it real button? Yeah, it's a real button up with pockets in the front. It is sleeveless. I like this. Another Loverich piece. Okay, wow, I'm getting a lot of boho tops here. This one is a striped, a split neck with an interesting, oh, I like the sleeve. Check it out, that's very interesting. I can't wait to see what that one looks like on. It does have the elastic on the cuffs and a rounded hemline. Okay, this is very interesting. And the last piece is a cardigan. I thought there was a pull there, but there isn't. And this is what the cardigan looks like. It is a navy blue, but it's a bit muted. It does have that cable knit down the front, and it's kind of ribbed and a little bit loose. This is what the back looks like. This is longer, and I didn't see any pockets, but I'm back and I've tried everything on. I know you can tell because my hair is up now. It got really warm. So I have 8 pieces in this box. Now with mix and match box, if I keep 5 of the pieces, I can get a 25% discount. The total of all 8 pieces in this box comes to $388. If I kept all 8 pieces and got the 25% discount, that's minus $97 for a grand total of $291 for 8 pieces of clothing. I'm not keeping 8 pieces of clothing. I am going to try to get to the 5-piece so I can get the 25% discount. There's a couple pieces in this box I'm really crazy about. There are some styles in this box that aren't necessarily me. That doesn't mean I'm not willing to try them. I'm just going to show you everything. I can't wait to hear what you think about the clothing. I do have a couple days, so I hope you will let me know what you think so I have some time to decide what to keep and what to send back with this box. The first top, it's by the brand 22nd. It's made in America. Yes to made in America. I do like that it's kind of a scoop neck. I don't care for the tie at all. It's also a very odd placement of the tie. Do you agree with me? Or I've just never seen that before, but it's very, very easy to tuck inside. And I think it would be very easy to just cut this off. Now, I think this is a beautiful fabric. This is 100% polyester. It did feel a little bit warm because it's warm where I live right now. And the elastic cuffs are just a little bit too big for me, which is kind of a bummer because these sleeves would be fabulous all the way down, but they're just too big. So I do have to kind of push them up and get a little bit different look. This top is only $36. I think that's a pretty good price for this top. What do you think about it? The colors on this blouse are unlike anything that I have. I don't have anything in this. I can't decide. Is it gray? Is it periwinkle? I don't have anything in this color. For that reason, it deserves a place in my wardrobe. I think it pairs very beautifully with the Liverpool denim. The Liverpool denim. These are the Abbey skinny, and the color is called biking red. When I get up close to the window there, it looks very red, but you could see in the try-on, it's like a deep brick red. I like these a lot. They're very, very clean, just no distressing anywhere on them, and they fit so nicely. These feel really good. I picked up a pair of red denim in the fall or earlier this year. I've never worn them. I really wanted red denim, but they don't have enough stretch. And if you are familiar with Liverpool, you know that Liverpool has great stretch to them. The regular price of these Liverpool denim are $96. And I don't know why. Liverpool always charges a little bit more for their colored denim, but these are on sale for $86, which seems like such a great price. I always love to get a sale piece prior to the season starting, so these are going to be fabulous for fall. You've noticed I have been adding some colored denim in darker colors, a plum, a merlot, and now a biking red to my wardrobe. I did wear the Liverpool denim throughout the entire try-on. I probably should have changed just to style the shirts with denim or maybe even white denim, but I really wanted to wear the Liverpool so I could decide if they were comfortable enough to purchase. Now, the next top is Naked Zebra. What's the price on this one? This one is $38, which is a great price. It is in that cobalt blue, royal blue color. I don't know. And I'll tell you why I don't know. This one is not very expensive. It's $38. This is the first time I have tried on Naked Zebra and got an excellent fit. So yay. When I saw the brand, I thought that never fits me, but I thought this one was a great fit. It is lined. It's got really cute sleeves. It does have the keyhole in the back. I think it was very nice. I do have a couple shells. This is basically a shell. It can be worn as a standalone piece right now, but into the fall and winter, I would wear this with a jacket or a cardigan over. But I have something so very similar. I have a Vince Camuto top in this color, and it's a shell. It's a V-neck shell. And I also have an INC, I believe, in this exact same color. This is a piece that I would be happy to have to get the 5-piece discount. Next up is the cardigan. This is the Lulu Lala cardigan. This is $45. And so let me show it to you one more time, real close. What color is this? This is like a bluish gray color. It's a color I don't have. It's a color I don't know if I need, because I'm not really excited about the color. And I'll tell you another thing. This is just personal preference. This is a loose weave sweater. Can you see me? I can see you. I mean, it's just very loose. And my only concern with that is just my everyday jewelry. It is so easy to snag these sweaters and cardigans, and they never look the same again. Another downfall with this sweater, this cardigan, is there's no pockets. And I really prefer my cardigans to have pockets of some sort. I think this one is very pretty. It's $45. I could take it, I could leave it. This cardigan is very casual, and I think it would style very nicely with some distressed denim, a t-shirt, and some sneakers. And then I wouldn't need pockets because I'd have pockets on my jeans, right? I don't know. Let me know what you think about this cardigan. Next up is the Liverpool top. When I was a kid, we used to call these smock tops. I wore these so much in the 70s when I was in middle school, and we would go to the skating rink and I would skate in tops like these and bell-bottom jeans, but I didn't have a chest. And with my chest, I think the top it does not fit well. And especially the way this trim is around the chest, it just makes it look very, very odd to me. I do think this is a beautiful top. It's a chambray top. It has gorgeous details on it. I do like that it's a deep V. There's a lot to like about this top, but I don't think it's a good style for a busty woman. It just makes me look so much larger. I don't tend to wear oversized clothing because it makes me look larger than I am, and I'm not comfortable in it. Now, the regular price on this Liverpool blouse is $89, and it is on sale for $60. So I am so sad that it just doesn't look good on me. I did show this to my husband. I said, "What do you think?" And he looked at me and he did not respond because he is such a wise man. And I know when he doesn't respond, he doesn't like it. He's afraid to tell me the truth sometimes. And then, of course, he's always curious if I like it, if I'm going to buy it. I don't like the way this one looks on me. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong here. Next up is the striped Love Rich top, and this is the cheapest top in the entire box, coming in at only $32. Again, they call this a tunic top, and I don't think it has the length, and not on me, to be a tunic top. I would never wear this with like a pair of leggings. That's what I think with tunic, that you could wear it with leggings. I think the colors are very pretty. Are these spring colors or are these fall colors? You guys let me know. Now, this incredible sleeve is so cool. I put this on and I felt like a poet. My husband said something similar to me. When I asked him if he liked this one, he said he liked it much better than the last one, the Liverpool one. But again, there's not much shape to this top. I feel like this one would have to be tucked in to be worn. I do love the sleeve detail on this one. And I don't know. I mean, it's got blue, it's got tan. It feels like it's a cotton fabric, very, very easy to wear. And I mean, when I'm feeling artistic, I would want to wear this one. You guys like this one? Am I crazy to get this one? I do think it looks shapeless without a front tuck or a complete tuck. So let me know your styling tips on this one, because I'm thinking I will probably keep this one. I don't know, because I have to look at my video and see if I'm fooling myself. I like it. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are awesome. The next piece is the dress by Loveridge. My favorite color. This was a good choice in color. Now, this one is a rayon and linen blend. Does that sound like wrinkles to you? It does feel fabulous on. That's the thing about rayon. Rayon really breathes nicely. As soon as I put this dress on, I really cooled off during the try-on. Unfortunately, the dress is too tight. There was gapping at the chest, and it wasn't a perfect fit at the arms either. This dress is $52. I like the style of the dress. I'm kind of bummed that it buttons up, because I think if it didn't button up the front, this would be a fabulous dress and a really nice dress to wear on my vacation. I'm not going to size up. If I size up in this dress, it's going to get way too big under the arms. This just isn't my dress. Although it felt great on, my favorite color, so much to like about this dress. So I'll share a tip with you, because I've done this before. I'm not going to do it with this dress. But when I have a garment that's a good fit, that has gapping at the buttons, sometimes I just go in and stitch it all the way up, so it will always remain nice and straight like this. You can only do that if you can actually pop the garment on over your head. This dress, I actually could, but I am not going to alter this dress. Although I could, I don't. I'll just be honest with you. I have a stack of clothing in my closet that is waiting for alterations, and I just don't make the time to do it. So I'm going to quit buying things that need to be altered, and this beautiful dress is going back. Okay, the last piece I tried on was the swimsuit cover-up. This one is by Reesby's. It's $44. This is a polyester fabric. I did think it was rayon because it's a little bit silky and very thin. And I have to show you up close this crochet detail. It almost feels like yarn. It's silky, it's nice. And you can see all the potential for my rings to get caught up in this. I like this a whole lot more than I thought I would. I was surprised to get a cover-up in this box, but truthfully, while I am in Vegas and staying in a hotel, I might just hit the pool or the spa. But this isn't what I would wear. I normally wear like a long, loose cover-up dress, a very sheer dress. And I never buy cover-ups at the end of the season at full price. So this one is going back. It was cuter than I thought it was going to be. Really cool hemline on it. Just not for me. Fun to try though. The pieces I am certain to send back are the dress that didn't fit, the cover-up that I don't need, and the Liverpool smock. That's what I call it. The smock top that did not fit me well. The piece that I'm absolutely crazy about, I'm keeping, are the Liverpool denim, $86 for the denim. Do I need any of the tops? The 22nd tie front top, made in America, or the Love Rich poet top? Should I keep these? I do like both of them. They're both a little bit different than anything I have in my closet. But if I add the naked zebra top that's very similar to what I own, and the loose weave cardigan for less than $24 more, because then I would have 5 pieces and I could get the discount. As with most of my style boxes, I think it's a good idea if I sleep on this. What a difference a day can make. I can wake up tomorrow and say, what are you thinking, Kelly? Don't buy the poet top. Or maybe I'm going to say I can't live without the poet top, and I will be excited to wear it tomorrow. I also really enjoy hearing what you think about the pieces that I received, and I love your styling tips. Thank you so much to all you ladies that help me to look stylish. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me and giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. I have more boxes. I have more clothes. I have to get trying on clothes so I can share it with you. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? I don't want to miss you. Blessings. Blessings to all of you.